Hello everybody, in this episode I will show you how to clean the drain from your sunroof in your car. In this car, first all you have to do is to open the sunroof like this, as you can see. And this car specifically, it has a few holes in each corner. This is one, and the other one is in this corner. This one, this is the other hole. And in order to clean it, you have first you have to find where the drain is located. Specifically in this car, one of the drain is here under this plastic, and the other one, it's right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's inside there. Okay, first we need to remove this plastic. Remove the clips. I have to remove two clips here in this side. Then this hose from the windshield water. Like so. You have to take this plastic also and maybe remove this cable. Okay, so this is the plastic. You have to pull it like this. You have this wire, it's holding into that hole, and after that you just have to pull it out. Okay. This is the drain from the sunroof, and in order to clean it, all you have to do is to take a screwdriver or something long and bend it like this. You see, there's a lot of dirt that is coming out. This is where the dirt is stuck, at this end. So this is one drain, and the other one, as I said earlier, is here, but I don't think you can see it because it's too dark there. It's somewhere in this area. You have to take also something long like this, like a screwdriver, and bend it and trying to clean the area. I don't think I can show it to you because it's too dark there, and the space is little. It's just a small place. As you can see, this is a drain hole, and I will use pressurized air in order to push all the dirt out. Just insert the nozzle into the hole like so. Okay, let's see if any dirt is coming out. And after that, I will pour some water into the hole in order to drain the entire drain plug. And now I will also use a little pressurized air. Okay, that's all. This is what you have to do in order to clean your drain from your sunroof. I did this side and I will do the other side, but I'm not going to film because it's very difficult to put the camera inside there and focus onto the drain. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.